Hello, welcome back.
So for this video, I'm doing a powder room and I'm going for an elegant look.
This is what I'm starting with. It's 5'6" by 4'11". So I'm doing a gold and white wallpaper with long rectangular tiles that have some tiny stripes in it. I'm placing the toilet first, so sizing the vanity will be easy. The vanity in here is kind of the idea I had to start with, and I kind of built the rest of the room around it. I wanted a floating vanity with a vessel sink, and since it's a powder room, it wouldn't really get as much use as other bathrooms in a house. So the wallpaper and minimal storage in here will work just fine.
I used a creamy colored countertop so everything goes together without looking like it's all the same color. And also, I chose this faucet because I think it looks vintage and I feel like that adds something to this space. You'll see that I made the vanity a lot shallower than a cabinet normally is. It's because it's a very small space and it's a powder room, so a full depth vanity isn't really necessary. I decided on gold fixtures because I feel like that goes with the elegant look I'm going for. You could also use black in here, that would also look nice. I added some shelves for small decor pieces and I made it the same color as the vanity because I feel like white wouldn't work and cream would kind of just blend into the walls. This mirror is another piece that I thought had vintage vibes, and I just thought having a marble inlay would make it an even better addition to the room. This is looking good so far, so I think it's time to finish it off. I think this pale orange vase was good for adding some color to this room, and I'm also adding a glass vase on the top shelf. After adding the soap dispenser and other necessary bathroom items, it's just lighting and that's it. I chose a drum shade, by the way. So this is my elegant powder room. I hope you like it. Please let me know by liking the video and leaving a comment down below. Please consider subscribing and sharing the video with anyone you know who would like this kind of content. And until next time, bye!